Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smack the subscribe button, click the bell notification, and smack the like button, guys. Okay, guys, today I'm gonna share to you a special TikTok brand marketing report 2021 by InVideo. So in this report, we will share to you how top brands are leveraging TikTok in 2021 and what you can learn from them, all right? So InVideo studied over 300 brands and more than 650 videos. In this report, we will share to you how Amazon, Apple, Samsung, and many other brands manage their TikTok presence, and we will share to you what works and what doesn't, all right? So in this report, we will look at how the most valuable brands do their TikTok presence and how often these brands were posting on TikTok. We will also look at channel and video level metrics for these big brands on TikTok. We will also look at their style, tone, and content of the best performing TikTok videos. Now, today we're gonna share to you the top 15 TikTok statistics in 2021. Guys, do you know that 50% of the top brands had no TikTok presence, including billion-dollar brands like Google, Facebook, YouTube, and IKEA? Right? Of all the brands that we studied, most of them still do not have a TikTok presence. And some brands do not have posts, some brands have no followers, and many brands still do not have a TikTok account. And we realized that the best performing TikTok brands post about 3.52 times per week on average. All right, so three times is the normal posting, right? And you can see most brands post less than 5 times a week. And you can see many brands are not posting a lot, but one of the very glaring brand is Amazon Prime Video. They post more than 40 posting per week, and the more and you realize the more you post, the better it is, right? So you can say Amazon Prime Video, because of so many posting that they are doing, they are getting a lot of views. All right, so guys, post as many as you can. All right, so we also see that a 1% increase in followers correspond to a 0.65% increase in average views per post. All right, so the more follower you have, of course, is the better you will get more views. All right, next, 80% of the top videos had music, with upbeat songs being the most popular TikTok music choice by far. So you can see most of the videos they will have including of upbeat music. All right, so this is good. Please include more music. And tech, food, and gaming brands have the highest average views per video. All right, so post something about tech and something about food, and definitely include games as well. Among the brands that InVideo study, So Satisfying, Samsung, TikTok, Chevrolet, and Flight House were the 5 most popular brands in terms of average views per video. So they are doing really, very good. Alright, 90% of the videos had product placement, while 30% of the videos employed humor. So guys, don't be fearful of not putting your product. Okay, go ahead and put your product, and do include some influencer and celebrity and dancing in your video as well. Right, we also see that 5 of the top 10 videos were created by TikTok itself, and approximately 25% of the videos featured either a celebrity or an influencer. All right, next, videos promoting brand events drew nearly 20 million views, while those featuring some form of sexuality or animals also generated well over 10 million views. So guys, include your pets, your favorite pets, include animal, okay, include your favorite animal, all right? it will definitely help you in generating more views. Okay, creative videos with animation and graphics overlay tend to draw over 11 million views per post. All right, so you can see that most of the videos are actually just putting on-screen text, and not many videos are putting animation, emoji, or graphic overlay. But one thing that is outstanding here is that videos that are using graphic overlay, they are typically generating more views. So graphic overlay animation is definitely doing good, guys. So go ahead and use more graphic and animation. So video description were 87 characters long on average because TikTok basically imposes a 150 character limit. Video description had 3.26 hashtag on average. 87.3 of the videos had at least one hashtag, and every 100 views generate 12 engagement on average, where engagement are defined as the sum of likes, comments, and shares. So guys, in conclusion, here are the two key takeaways for you. Creativity, okay, be creative, okay, be creative, think out of the box. And secondly, consistency is the key. Post as many videos as possible, but be consistent. Post something every week, if not every day. So guys, now go and post some TikTok videos now and be famous. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you learned something about TikTok tips today, share to us what you have learned and how can you improve your TikTok views. Alright, so subscribe, smack the like button, and we will see you again next time. Bye.